I am visiting a truck yard. Yes, they call it a truck yard. And these are the things that they fix. I'm not advertising anything. I am just showing you what I'm doing today. And the moment you have a truck or know someone with a truck, this is the place they visit if they need fixing. So guys, I am just showing you what a truck yard looks like. I'll see you soon. Good morning and win today. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel and today's video is all about me touring the truck. Yes, the big semi truck. Let's go. As big as the truck is, I love being in the truck. I love being I just love to be a passenger in here. Anyway, guys, I am just showing those who have never been near a truck or been in a truck. I'm just showing you. Okay, so this video is for you only, not for the truckers, not for anybody else. Okay, this is for you. Touch yourself and say, this is for me. Okay. Enjoy. So as you can tell where I am right now, I'm holding on to the steering wheel, acting like I'm driving. Just enjoying. Okay, and as you can tell here, I'm in the driver's seat and just looking at everything in and around this truck. So this truck have a lot of leg room, as you can tell here. It have a lot of leg room where you can just relax and don't have to be cooped up too tight. Okay. Again, look at the dashboard, guys. The dashboard have so many lights and buttons. It's almost like a plane. You go into the front of the plane and you'll see all of that. Right now, I am beside a nice golf course area. The truck is right there next to it. And as you can see, I'm getting off the truck right now. And I'm showing you the side of the front of the truck. And of course, I have to put the nature part in. I love nature, guys. For those who are new here, I love nature. So I will always be outside, out, no matter what. As you can tell, you hear my voice, but no matter what, I will always be outside. So I'm showing you the front end where the truck is sitting. And this is a parking lot. And I'm just showing you the pretty little sky. All God's glory. Okay, girl, enough of the nature, enough of outside. Let's go back to the truck. Okay, guys, so right here I am showing showing you inside of the truck. This particular truck have two beds, as you can tell. One right here, the sheets is on, and there is another one that is folded above right here. And as you can see right here, there's drawer curtains. That mean when you're in the truck, you can pull it, close it, so that the sunlight is not on you and sleep. And this is Mr. Steve. Mr. Steve, say hi. Okay. So he just got out to show, so you guys can see everything. Okay, and guys, look at the back of the bed, the headboard per se. Okay, now for the outside of the truck. Right here is under the what you call that, guys? Under here. So I am walking by the truck, the side of the truck, and this is the back inside. You see that pillow right there? That's where the second bedding is. And that little storage right on top here is where you also can put little towels and sheets or food or whatever you choose to put in here. Okay, you see the lights up there and the material above the bed. I love it. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. And right here again, I'm just showing you up close a little bit to the pantry. Right down below here to the left, still under the pantry, is where Steve keep his clothes. Okay, and right here is the bedding. I just moved the closet trying to show you here. Shh, don't tell Steve I showed you in here. So this is where he hang his clothes. And right here you also have more storage. And up close is where you can store stuff. This is a chair. He's very, very clean. He keeps his truck really clean, guys. As you can see it, I mean, driving a semi truck, most times drivers are on the truck for a very long time, so he have everything in here, including his tools, his exercising machines, you know, and one chair. He have a lot of space in here. So now I am just showing you this side where you can step up on to go into the truck. Okay, so right here, hi Steve, is the front end. Okay, so Steve is about to go, guys. So I am so happy I got the opportunity of getting inside the truck because he's always on the go. And of course, I'm showing you nature and a bird and the dirty water that looks really, really nice on the golf course. Yes, I call it dirty. I'm from Jamaica. Now the truck is going. Yay, look. This is a great angle right here. The truck is moving off, guys. Yes, see the sides, you see the back end. There he's gone now, guys. I just wanted to show you inside of a truck. Thank you. Manuel.